So good morning. As you can see, I'm at the shop. It's pretty cold outside. So today's video was about a Craftsman forced air heater, something I have been looking at for years, as far as needing for my powder coating business anyway. So yesterday I actually went to Lowe's to look for a tank top radiant heat heater. But they didn't have any, so they did have this one. Needed anyway. I actually needed both of them anyway, so I still got to get a double top heater. We'll probably do a review on that too. So I ended up grabbing this one, and that's what it is. Okay, here we go. It's the first unboxing. I know some people might think, man, why did you go with Craftsman? Why didn't you go with the wall? Couple reasons, man. Everything I do, I research. I research everything, man. Everything I do, I research. Whether it ain't nothing but, I'm about to learn how to tie my shoe all over again. I gotta Google it and see if somebody else has done it. So basically, in my research, I noticed that, man, forced air, they're all the same. You know what I mean? Once you get up into 60,000 BTUs and stuff like that, they're all the same. You know what I mean? And for me, I like red. So it's kind of the theme of my shop. Also, this is a video that I never put out, but of one of those nice Harbor Freight mods where I have a metering valve installed, you know. So yeah, you know, many videos coming just soon, but I'll show you guys how I did that if anybody wants to see. Basically, once again, research. All right, so now for the Craftsman. As you can see, you guys are getting it first. You're getting it first. Here we go. All right, this is everything it comes with. Of course, like that. Got your manual, got your hose, got your handle, got your heater. It's very, very small, compact. You see the fan. Beautiful thing. Beautiful thing. All right, so we're gonna get it put all together and see if we can get it running. Okay, so basically, take the handle, screws, drop your screw down in there, Phillips screwdriver, plain and simple, right? Alright, so after I get my handle on, you come down to the propane tank, and you just take this, it's a reverse thread, you thread it on there. This bends free, so you get your adjustable wrench and tighten it down. And then you take this end of the hose, and you run it back here to this nozzle. Plastic fittings. Take all the plastic fittings off there. There you go. Remember, it's reverse. It's reverse thread. Alright. So now we got our hose running from the tank to here. But I'm gonna go ahead and put some tape around there just because it's gonna be copper to copper. Then you just twist it on there. Just like this. Oh yeah. Tighten it up. Tighten it down. That way we won't got no leaks. Top it down. Do the same thing over here. And remember that this is the one I believe is the reverse thread. Yes, always going into the propane tank is a reverse thread. Once that tightens, tighten her down a little bit. Because you definitely don't want no gas leak, or excuse me, not gas, propane. I know propane is a gas, but you like to be correct when you make a video. All right, here we have the complete setup. 12 Craftsman, forced air, 60,000 BTU. Propane heater. That's the adjuster. You can adjust the height of it up and down. Loosen that little bolt right there. And then here you have the controls as far as on, off, low, and ignite. Right now it's set to off. Push it in and turn it like the oven. And adjust high to low. Keep it up. Alright, see, things coming together. Shop almost finished. We got one more thing, or a few more things for we got the equipment coming together. But as you can tell, it's getting cold. Leaves falling. Actually a great riding season, but it's getting cold. So we had to get some heat. But of course my unit doesn't have electricity, so that's why I always run off of like generators or power packs, you know what I mean, certain things like that. Right now my power pack was low, so I had to charge my power pack, but I didn't want to stop the video, so we had to come around here to the electricity, and look what we got. So now, definitely a good thing to have on the end of it is the surge protector, because the fan stays on as long as it's getting power. There's no way for you to turn the fan off as long as it's getting power. But if you got something like a surge protector, which one of the things is this comes with a very, very short cord, so you're gonna have to plug it into something. And I recommend surge protector. But so like let's show you. So I recommend, if it's not propane, if it's not blowing, to turn that off. Alright, so now gonna turn the heat on. Open the propane tank. Give it a little bit of juice to flow. Come meet it down here. It's pretty off, it's low. Push it in. Right here it says ignite. came out great. Came out great.